If you are into nature, this could be it. On the other hand, it has a dirt road that gives you access to the main roads. The lots are zoned residential, and there's only one entrance and exit into the subdivision, which is gated. Let's talk about the power lines. This is a really important thing you have to consider when buying land. For this lot, you have power nearby. San Isabel Electric is the provider. If you are thinking about building, this is not going to be a problem. Now, for recreational activities, you will find enough to do.